So last week, I had to get off Jazz up there at the top because he got too tired and decided he was going to die tired. We'll see how far he gets this time. It's a hard slog up this thing. It's also not really great ground, so it's another reason I got off him. So I might get off him anyway. Easy. You do not want to be in a hurry, you just get yourself tired. Especially in this ground. He's being a bit smarter this time. He remembers he tired himself out trying to gallop up last time. Good boy. We should probably go to the right. I think going to the right is going to be better. Boy. Now, I personally wouldn't eat in the middle of a big slog like this, but okay. Maybe it wasn't the best idea to go to the right here. And then, of course, we have a fence up here. We can go around this tree. We do have a downed fence. Oh, boy. Careful. Let's see if we can step over this puppy. Oh. I think we can. Careful. Careful. Good boy. That's a good way. Excellent. Come on. And that is how I condition my horses. Things like that. Just walking. We have one more up to go. Well, we have a lot more up to go, but one more up on this climb. Don't need to walk on the edge of the crater. There's some baby poison oak right there. Look at that old stuff. A lot of poison oak. Look at all that poison oak. It's a wet year for poison oak too, I guess. Yep, there's some kind of a monster in the bushes. All right. Quit. Now you tired yourself out. There was not a monster in there. Just shows you weren't as tired as you thought you were, weren't you? At least I didn't have to get off and lead him. Oh, too bad. I was hoping we'd come over the ridge and see all the mountains, but there happens to be a lot of clouds in the mountains. It's all covered by clouds. Well, no, here we go. A little bit of mountains up there. It is cloudy though.